Hello, guys, welcome to my channel Unique Tech. In this video we are talking about Google Find My Device. First, if your Android device is lost or stolen, you have a few options to help find it. Google provides an app and website called Find My Device through which you can seek out your missing Android phone, secure it, and erase all data. Samsung devices have an additional feature called Find My Mobile, which allows you to track down your lost device. Let's look at both options. Second, if your Android device is lost or stolen, you have a few options to help find it. Google provides an app and website called Find My Device through which you can seek out your missing Android phone, secure it, and erase all data. Samsung devices have an additional feature called Find My Mobile, which allows you to track down your lost device. Let's look at both options. Third, ping your Android device. If your device is nearby, you can tap play sound to ping the phone or tablet. Try to follow the sound to see if it leads you to your device. Even if the device is not in your immediate area, the ping may alert a good Samaritan who can pick it up and keep it safe for you. When done, tap the stop sound button. Fourth, secure your Android device. If you can't find the device or aren't nearby, you can lock it so no one can access it. You can also add a message and phone number for anyone who does find it so that person can contact you. Tap Secure Device. Type a message to display on the lock screen and add a phone number. Tap Secure Device to finalize and lock the phone. The missing phone is locked with your message and phone number displayed. Fifth, Samsung's Find My Mobile. If you have a Samsung phone, you can also track down a lost device via a special feature called Find My Mobile. To set this up on your Samsung device, go to Settings. Tap the setting for security or biometrics and security, then select the setting for Find My Mobile. At the Find My Mobile screen, make note of the website you would use to track down a lost Samsung device. Make sure your Samsung account is listed. Turn on the option for remote controls to be able to control your phone with your Samsung account via the website. Turn on the option for Google Location Service to provide more accurate information on the location of your phone. You can also enable the advanced settings such as remote unlock and send last location. Sixth, locate your Samsung device. If your device goes missing, fire up the Find My Mobile website on your browser and sign into your Samsung account. The site should display the location of your Samsung phone on the map. Here, you'll also find a host of controls to help you with your missing device. Seventh, ping your Samsung device. To ping your device, click the ring icon. At the Ring My Phone window, click the ring button. Your phone then starts ringing to help you or someone else find it. 8. Lock your Samsung device. To lock your phone, click the lock icon. The Lock My Phone window explains how your phone will be protected. Click Next. Create a PIN to be able to unlock your device. Enter a contact phone number where you can be reached. Type a message to display on the lock screen, then click Lock. Your phone is now locked and secured. 9th, track your Samsung device. If you think your phone is being transported to a different location, you can track it. Click the Track Location icon. The Track My Phone window shows you the current location, which will update every 15 minutes. 10th, unlock your Samsung device. If you forget your PIN to unlock your phone, you can always open it from the website by tapping the unlock button. 11th, set guardians for your Samsung device. You can also appoint people to perform certain functions for your phone on the Find My Mobile website, such as locating your device, ringing it, and activating emergency mode. The only limitation is that anyone you appoint must have a Samsung account ID. You can do this by clicking the icon for Set Guardians, then click Agree. At the next screen, click Add New Guardian. Enter the person's Samsung ID and click Verify. Choose the duration for the guardianship and then click Set. For more videos in English and Hindi, subscribe the channel Unique Tech and never miss any update. Thank you.